Finding Nemo, best dad in the sea. Let's open it. Okay, let's open it. Oh no! Nemo loves his dad Marlin, and Marlin loves Nemo, but they are very different. Marlin is careful. Slow down, Nemo. But Nemo is not. Come on, Dad.
I think Fader's curious about my teeth.
One day, Nemo is too brave. He swims far ahead over there. Oh no, his dad is so angry. Oh no, a diver. Marlin cannot see Nemo. Nemo has been caught.
Oh, look, she's in
Yeah,
a
it's
little
right
bag.
there. Marlin swims after Nemo, but he is too late.
Look, she's in a...
Plop! Into a tank Nemo goes. How will he ever get home? Oh no, what happened to Nemo? Marlin is sad. He wants to search for Nemo so his friend Dory can help. I want to help Mommy. At first, Marlin is very, very afraid. But not for long. My son needs me, Marlin says. For Nemo, Marlin is brave. He is very brave. Nemo hears good news. Help is on the way. Nemo escapes, and Dory finds Nemo first. They look for his dad. They ask the crabs for help. They find Marlin, but they get stuck in a net. Nemo has a plan. Swim down, he says to the fish. They are free. You were so brave, says Nemo. You were brave too, says his dad. Nemo loves his dad, and his dad loves him, and they are not so different after all. All done.